Let's prepare to enter the silence inside us today. And let's start by focusing on our prayer box. So in Unity Affirmative Prayer, we believe in aligning with the divine mind, aligning with the goodness that flows all around us. Part of that is walking a path of forgiveness. And so we do something called a 3-minute miracle every Sunday after the service. And so I invite you to join us for a 3-minute miracle focused on forgiveness and healing. We do that every Sunday. You can join the prayer team. You can also put a prayer request in our prayer box. And our prayer box is anonymous. So any prayer that goes in there stays here with us for 30 days, and then from there it goes to Unity headquarters for another 30 days where another prayer team prays with those requests. And so right now, in this moment, as you breathe in and as you breathe out, know that someone beside you has a request, has a concern of their heart. And as you breathe in their concern, breathe out peace. Breathe in the concern of the people in front of you, behind you, and beside you, and breathe out their peace. And as we focus more now to go inside, let's focus on that daily word, zeal. As I heard Louise reading, there was an image that came to me of a tree planted, beautiful, growing tree in the middle of a field. And we see that tree, that strong trunk and the branches and the leaves. But what we don't see is that underneath that tree, stretching down into Mother Earth, are massive roots. This is our source of zeal. We pull from divine source. Divine source flows through us. And like that tree, we grow as we connect with divine source. This is our source of zeal. And we can sizzle with that energy of a divine source. So I invite you to take that image of a tree, you standing strong like that tree, and imagine tapping into that deep, everlasting divine source. And as we breathe in and as we breathe out, know that you are tapped into that divine source. That energy rises in you and sizzles with zeal. And so it is.